Hi, Lisa. I saw you reading an English book. Are you learning English?
Yes, I am. I want to learn English because it's very useful. I can use it for work, travel, and making new friends. What about you, David?
I want to learn too, but I don't know where to start. I'm very scared. Can you help me?
Of course. I'm learning too, so I can share what I know. Don't be scared. Learning English is not difficult. You just need to start.
What is the first thing I should do?
First, you need to understand that English has many sounds, different from our language, yes? So you need to listen to English every day.
How can I listen every day? I'm very busy with work.
You can listen while you do other things. Listen to English songs, English videos, English podcasts. You can listen while you walk, while you cook, while you clean your house.
Oh, so I don't need to sit at a desk for many hours?
No, this is the mistake many people make. They think learning English means sitting with a big book for 3 hours. But the best way is to listen everywhere, every time.
That sounds better. But Lisa, what if I don't understand anything? What if the English is too fast?
Good question. This is normal. When I started, I understood nothing, zero. But I listened anyway. I didn't try to understand every word. I just listened.
But isn't that a waste of time?
No, no, no. Your brain is learning. Your ears are learning the sounds of English. Even if you don't understand now, your brain remembers the sounds. After many days of listening, one day you will understand something, then more things, then more and more.
How many days did you listen before you understood?
For me, maybe 2 or 3 months. But everyone is different. Maybe for you it is faster, maybe slower. This is okay.
Okay, so listening is number one. What is number two?
Number 2 is speaking. But don't worry, you don't need to speak to a person yet. You can speak alone, by yourself.
Speak alone? What do you mean?
I mean, you can repeat words and sentences. You can say them out loud. This helps your mouth learn the English sounds. You can copy the sounds from videos or songs.
Like a child learning to talk?
Yes, exactly like a child. A child hears sounds, then the child repeats the sounds. This is how you learn too. You are not too old to learn like this.
This is interesting. How long should I speak every day?
You can start with just 5 minutes. 5 minutes. That is very small. You can speak for 5 minutes, and this is enough to start. Then after 1 week, you make it 10 minutes, then 15 minutes.
So I start small and make it bigger?
Yes, this is very important. Many people want to do everything at one time. They are excited, so they study 3 hours on day 1. Then on day 2, they are tired. On day 3, they stop. This is wrong.
I understand. So I should start small. What about words? Do I need to learn many words?
Good question. Yes, you need words, but you don't need to learn 10,000 words. No. For the beginning, you need maybe 500 words, maybe 700 words.
500? That's still many.
Yes, but this takes time. You don't learn 500 words in one day. You learn maybe 5 words a day or 10 words a day. In 1 month, you learn 150 to 300 words.
How do I learn words?
You learn words from listening. When you listen to videos, you hear words, you see pictures, you see the person's mouth. Your brain connects the sound to the picture. This is how you remember words.
Can I use a dictionary?
Yes, you can use a dictionary, but I think this is not the best way. If you look up too many words, you stop listening. You get tired. You lose interest. So I say only look up very important words.
How do I know which words are important?
If you hear the same word many times, this word is important. If you see the word in the picture or the video, this word is important. For example, if you watch a video about food and the word eat appears many times, then you should learn eat.
This makes sense. Now, what about reading? Should I read?
Yes, reading is also important, but not now, not at the beginning. Right now, you need to listen and speak. Reading comes after 2 or 3 months.
Why not now?
Because your brain is not ready. If you read now, you will get confused. You will see words that you don't understand. You will feel very bad. So wait. First, listen and speak. Then read.
Okay, I will wait. But when I am ready to read, what should I read?
Simple things. You should read children's books. Yes, children's books. Don't feel bad about this. Children's books use simple words. The sentences are short. The pictures help you understand.
Are children's books not boring?
Maybe for some people, but I think it is fun. You feel happy when you understand a whole sentence. You feel so happy. This is good motivation.
Good point. Now, I have another question. What if I make mistakes? What if I say words wrong?
Everyone makes mistakes. Even me. Even native English speakers make mistakes. This is normal and okay.
Really? Native speakers make mistakes?
Yes, but they make different mistakes. They might use wrong words sometimes. They might use wrong grammar sometimes. This is just human. We are not robots.
So, I shouldn't worry about mistakes?
You should not worry too much. Yes, you want to make fewer mistakes. Yes, you want to improve. But you should not be scared of mistakes. Mistakes mean you are learning.
Lisa, I'm worried about one more thing. What if I don't have time every day?
This is the real question, David. Let me be honest. If you don't have time, you cannot learn. Learning English needs time.
Oh, no. This is a problem.
Wait. I don't mean you need many hours. You need maybe 30 minutes a day, maybe 1 hour a day. Can you find 30 minutes a day?
Maybe yes, maybe no. I'm very busy.
Okay, listen. Everyone is busy. I work, I have family, I have friends, I have other activities, but I find time because I want to learn. If you really want to learn, you find time. If you don't find time, you don't really want to learn.
That's very honest.
Yes, so think about this. Do you really want to learn English? If yes, then you can find 30 minutes somewhere in your day. Maybe you watch less television. Maybe you sleep less. Maybe you spend less time on your phone.
You're right. I watch too much television and too much phone.
Good. So you can find time. Now, I have another tip for you. Do you know the best time to learn?
When?
In the morning. The morning is best. Your brain is fresh. You think better. Your energy is high. If you wait until night, you are tired. Your brain is tired.
So I should learn in the morning?
Yes, if you can. Even 15 minutes in the morning is better than 1 hour at night. The morning time is more powerful.
What should I do in the morning? Listen or speak?
You can do both. Maybe you listen for 10 minutes, then you speak for 5 minutes. This is 15 minutes total, and you practice both listening and speaking.
This sounds good. Now, how do I know if I'm making progress? How do I check?
Good question. You can check every month. Every month, try to listen to the same video that you listened to before. Can you understand it better now? If yes, you are making progress.
What if I don't understand more?
Then you need to listen more. Maybe you listen to different videos. Maybe you listen to more videos. But usually, if you listen every day, you will understand more.
How long until I can have a real conversation?
Real conversation? Maybe 6 months, maybe 9 months, maybe 1 year. Everyone is different. But if you listen and speak every day, you will be able to have a conversation.
1 year? That's a long time.
Yes, but think about this. 1 year from now, you can either speak English and have a conversation, or you cannot speak English.
1 year? That's a long time.
Yes, but think about this. 1 year from now, you can either speak English and have a conversation, or you cannot speak English. Which one do you want?
I want to speak English.
Good. So 1 year is not long. 1 year is very short. In 1 year, you change your life. You can use English. You can understand English movies. You can talk to English-speaking people. This is amazing.
You make me excited now.
Good. Excitement is very important. If you are excited, you will continue. If you are not excited, you will stop.
So, how do I stay excited?
You celebrate small wins. When you understand one new word, celebrate. When you understand one sentence, celebrate. When you speak one sentence, celebrate. Every small thing is important.
How do I celebrate?
Any way. You can tell your friend, you can tell your family, you can write it down, you can just feel happy. Any way is okay.
This is nice. I think I feel ready to start now.
Really?
Yes. I will listen to English videos. I will speak English words. I will learn 5 words every day. I will find 30 minutes in the morning.
Perfect. This is the right plan. You know what? I'm very happy now because I helped you.
Thank you, Lisa. You helped me very much. Now, I have only one question.
What is it?
Can we meet 1 week from now? I want to tell you about my progress.
Of course. I want to hear about your progress. Maybe I can help you more.
Great! So, same place, same time, next Saturday?
Yes, same library, same room, same time. I will wait for you.
Lisa, can I ask you one more thing?
Sure.
Did you think English learning was hard before you started?
Oh, yes. I was very scared. I thought it was impossible. But then I started, and I learned that it was not impossible. It was just difficult. There is a big difference.
What's the difference?
Impossible means you cannot do it. But difficult means you can do it. But you need to work. You need to try. You need time. I learned that English learning is difficult, but I can do it. And now I'm doing it.
Thank you for telling me this, Lisa. Now I feel more confident.
Good. You should feel confident. You are ready. You have a plan. You have excitement. You have everything you need.
I'm so grateful for this conversation.
Me too. Now, I'm excited for you. I want to hear your success story.
I will make you proud.
I already believe in you.
Okay, Lisa, I'm going home now to start learning English.
Perfect. Go start. I will see you next week.
See you next week, Lisa.
Bye, David. Happy learning!